Dito mamong moment dito macam hong lapuan na bijis dong bos kami dito macam hapon karbiang lo autonomous district council CEM akihay dito lo nang lingelo antara pun CEM sir tulirang lo hang dito mong hanggang situ lasi no alang dipandak hing sawang kira gipan grandmaster dakar sedang dilaben Rajiv Binti President of Central Veteran Society in Melaka Hexon.
Well, now we have with us our honorable chief executive member Durra Rohan to come towards the side here that's been started by Mr. Katharsha Yuki.
Lasi ladak karbi mapai pak Fraksi Presiden lagi hala Rajiv Binti Masih Archipuripo CM Sarhan karbi koi pak pernah coba di jadi kata nomor itu lapen ke Grandmaster hit petrol ke sisi balik boleh lasi sarabang pulo non ke kala korpot ke lam ke dige jalok modok ke pa gitu lam ke bodoh chali ma okay thank you sir thank you CM sir Dr. sir Grandmaster and the President of